Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll dive into how to make $500 per day using ChatGPT and Mizo.io. And guess what? You don't need any experience at all. Let's get started. First off, what is ChatGPT? It's an intelligent AI that can assist you with anything from writing resumes to answering questions. It's a fascinating tool that we'll be using to create content for our project. Now, meet Mizo.io, an incredible tool that can create a complete website for you within seconds. All you need to do is write a couple of sentences. Let's combine these two powerful platforms to build a profitable business. Now, watch how Mizo.io builds an entire site in just a few clicks. You can even choose your niche like weight loss or crypto. I'll go with fitness, and voila! Here's our site. Now it's time to choose a product that we believe in to promote. We'll use AFF Plus to find offers in the weight loss niche. Make sure to select something you genuinely support. Next, we'll leverage ChatGPT to write a 500-word article for our website. Just look how quickly it crafts an article about weight loss. This content will be essential for driving traffic to our site. Want free and targeted traffic? Publish the ChatGPT-generated article on Medium.com with your Mizo.io website link embedded in it. This technique will drive readers to your site and, ultimately, your affiliate products. If you do this smartly, you can make $500 every single day during your 30-day free trial with Mizo.io. Imagine what that means for your business and your life. That's it, folks. A step-by-step guide to making money online using ChatGPT and Mizo.io. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.